Hello, my name is Stephanie Gomez. I am 20 years old. I am a student of the National University Open and Distance Gov and Center. I am live in San Marcos Sucre, the land of peace and beauty women. I am a cheerful and responsible here. I love time with children and teachers about God. Sometimes I am very sentimental, especially when I watch romantic movies. I hate Dante mystery shopping. Every day I try to be happy. That's why I do university activities to be able to improve myself every day. Play with me never when I have time and at high I night. I go to church because I have several responsibilities there. Of they is a study single. I like very much I love singing. And when I come back, I like to chat with my family to sit and watch television. After that, we rest to start with God help in a new day. Thank you.